Okay, here we have a third order linear differential equation with the constant coefficients. Now how we will solve it? We just replace these third order, second order, first, there is no first order in the with m, right? M cube plus 3 into m square minus 4, no need of m, equals to 0. So this is the equation. Now we have to guess one root so that we can identify the other roots with this, because it's a third order linear differential equation, and there must be the solution, that is y equals to c1 e to the power m1x plus c2 e to the power m2x plus c3 e to the power m3x. So we have to we need 3 m1 m2 m3, right? Okay, so first of all you have to guess that which constant meets or satisfies this equation. So it's a guess that either you take 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, minus 1, or 0, anything. So I am supposing that let m be the 1, and I check that whether it satisfies the equation or not. So if m is 1, then 1 cube plus 3 into 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. Yes, m is the root. Yes, m is the root. So I can say that m minus 1 is the root of this differential equation, this equation m cube plus 3 m square minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, and the rest of the two roots will be determined by either division process, dividend, quotient thing, or remainder thing. And the second way is by using synthetic division. So you can use any one of the division is simple. Okay, division we use. So in the dividend I'm writing this m cube plus 3m square minus 4 and m minus 1, because it is a divisor, so it divides, and rest of the roots will be from this quotient. So m minus 1, if I multiply it with m square, then m is m cube minus m square. So subtraction cancels, 3 plus 4m square minus 4. So if I multiply with 4 and m, then I get it. So it becomes, so subtraction becomes plus 4m minus 4. Now if I multiply this m with 4, it becomes m into 4 is 4m, and minus 4 comes this, so plus minus, and so it cancels, it completely divides. So that means the quotient is m square plus 4m plus 4. So that means one root is m minus 1 and the other root is m square plus 4m plus 4. That makes it m cube plus 3m square minus 4. You can also do this synthetic division. Okay, one root is from this, m1 is equal to 1, and the other one is, if I solve it, it is a complete square of m plus 2 whole square. Yes, m plus 2 whole square, that means it's a repeated root. Plus 2 equals to 0, so m2 is minus 2 and m3 is also minus 2. So second and third are repeated roots. First is c1 e to the power m1x, means only x, plus c2, m2 and m3 are repeated roots. So here I'm using this second case, right? So c2 e to the power minus 2x plus c3, due to this repetition I am writing this x and e to the power 2x. So that is the final answer. So you can also find out the roots of, or the general solution of, higher order derivatives based on these three cases. I hope that you understand this video, and thank you so much.